Yo, what's going on everybody? Arie here, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing a 100K plus Shopify TikTok brand. So TikTok seems to be the talk of the town. It's kind of the newest, hottest platform out there, not only for engagement and just people using it, but also for advertising. And a lot of brands are actually taking advantage of that. So if you do have an e-commerce business, chances are you've probably been thinking about TikTok. So let's just get right into it. Let's not waste any time here. The brand is called Soulset, and it's a beautiful brand. You guys, whoever's behind this really killed it, and this is gonna serve as great inspiration for a lot of people. Of course, I would never recommend that you just straight up copy somebody's store. But I will say, when I see stores like this and brands like this, it really just makes me want to go, create even more brands. And it's just cool. So basically, it's quite simple. There's not much to explain here. It's the sunset lamp. But what's super interesting is how they're actually marketing their store through TikTok. It's super cool, and clearly they know what they're doing. So for example, here they have a video that's done 1.7 million views. They have over 100,000 followers already on their TikTok alone. And let's just take a look at this video quick.
My golden hour lamp
came in today. Or my golden hour lamp.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. It is really pretty.
I even got it 70%
So this has
off.
53,000 likes.
My golden hour lamp came in today.
It's solely an organic post. I'm sure that they're maybe running this as an ad as well. That's what's super cool about TikTok, is that you can run your posts as ads. So you can actually get extra engagement on your posts. It's super cool. And some of these have 2.7 million views. Like, what?
It was time to switch up my room a bit.
This is a genius.
So I
ad
decided
right
to get the new sunset lamp.
So I really like this. What's it called? Scroll stopper here. Maturing is realizing LED lights are not cool.
It was time to switch up my room a bit.
Upgrade.
So I decided to get the new sunset lamp.
Wow, these people are marketing
controlled
geniuses. And obviously what they're doing is working extremely well. Let me see how old this video is super quick. It's from 1 week ago.
It was time.
So these people are easily doing 10K plus per day. Honestly, I kind of undershot it in the title. Let's see if we can actually see how much traffic they're driving. It doesn't say, but wow, very well done on their end. I mean, a couple of things that I want to point out on their store. It's quite simple. There's really nothing. It's really simple and very, very well done. So you can see how they've built this, probably they used a page builder for this. There's many that you can use to do that, but they did extremely well. I really love this hashtag as well on TikTok. That's very cool. You got the badges, you got the looks reviews. Shout out Looks, link in the description for an extended trial. Looks Reviews is the GOAT. They also got an Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook, and they are posting on here, but clearly this isn't their main area of focus. I mean, they're not getting a ton of engagement here, so they're going all in on TikTok. Very smart. They're also posting their stuff on Pinterest. Great idea, reposting everything that you're posting on TikTok to Pinterest. Why not? Easy engagement right there, just recycling your content. And here we are on their Facebook. So on Facebook, they don't got much. They just have this post from July 13th. So that's actually good inspo. Look they were posting about this stuff on July 13th. And, they're just now starting to really pop off. So that's awesome. I guess they just figured out a really solid content strategy that they can be consistent with, and that they can really explode through TikTok ads and organic TikTok. So I just thought that was a really cool brand, and I felt really inspired after seeing it. So I figured I'd share it with you guys, and hopefully, you guys liked it. So with that said, I'll see y'all on my next video. Peace.